So how to attach any object to your avatar. All you'll need to do is just find any FBX model. So as you can see, we have the model here. I'm going to drag that up here into the hierarchy from the assets. As you can see, we have our model right here. And what you can do is you can press R to resize by clicking and dragging out from this. Or if you want to take certain dimensions, you can stretch it out, change the size. I'm going to press W to go back to changing its position. And we want it on its right arm. So I'm just going to click on these little axis points and move them where I want it. Then I can press E to rotate, and while holding Control I can move it in segments. Again, just moving and rotating the object how you like it. Then once you got your object where you like it, all you have to do is then click it up here in the hierarchy. On these little arrows next to your avatar, you're going to click down to the part of the body you want that object to move along with. Down till I get to the right hand, and I'm going to click and drag that object that I have and put it under the right hand. So once the right hand is kind of got this lighter gray highlight, I'm just going to click and then let go, and it'll attach that object to that specific part of the body that it will move with. So now the gun that I have will move around with my right hand and follow it. And that is all.